Cool. My name is Alex Barron. I'm from the Wellness and Health Promotions Office. We do this monthly event. It's the Tower Garden Workshop, where we explain what hydroponic towers are. The hydroponic towers that are around campus, we explain what they are, how they work, what we can grow, and where students can actually get the produce that's grown on these hydroponic towers.
So imagine like the lid here, right? And you cut like 6 holes, and you put net cups in each where they're suspended, like not floating in the water, but just like.
Well, this event, in my opinion, is important for students on different levels. I think it's important for people to know where their food comes from. There's definitely a lack of connection in where people get their food that can be solved if people grow their own food, whether it be in a garden or hydroponically. So I think that's very important to tell students that not only can you do this, but it's actually simpler than you thought. So that's my biggest goal with these things, to inform students that it's not that hard to grow products like hydroponically, and that it's simple and it's effective as well.